Samsara's devices are designed to be installed in minutes. The Powered Asset Gateway can be used to track any type of powered trailer, including dry van, reefer, and flatbed trailers, as well as powered equipment such as forklifts, generators, and light towers. This video will cover installing a Powered Asset Gateway onto a forklift. When you open the box, you'll find a Samsara Powered Asset Gateway and 2 machine screws. You can find the serial number listed on the gateway inside the box, as well as the back of the box. The serial number is needed for dashboard setup later. You will need a B-Power install cable that is ordered separately. You will also find zip ties needed for the install in the same pack along with the cable. There is also a QR code on the cable pack that will take you to the PDF version of the install guide. Depending on the install, you may also need VHB tape that you can purchase separately. The B-Power cable comes with 4 wires on one end. The blue and brown colors represent the power wires. The white represents the ground wire, and the green is an input wire that can be used to track usage of an equipment, for example, engine hours. You will not be needing the brown wire for a powered equipment install, as it is used for trailer installs only. So go ahead and safely secure the wire. The other end of the B-Power cable will plug into the Powered Asset Gateway. Make sure you twist the locking nut clockwise to secure the cable in place. To get started, you'll need to connect your gateway to a power source. But first, identify a desired installation location on the equipment to mount your gateway, ensuring you have enough cable to reach the electrical connection points. For best cellular and GPS coverage, the gateway should have a clear view to the sky. For a forklift, the ideal install location is typically on the mast, away from moving parts, or on the cage above the driver. Installing the gateway inside of the engine compartment is not recommended, as it will likely result in poor connectivity. Plug the B-Power cable into the gateway and twist to secure. Press and hold the button on the gateway until the LED light illuminates. The light will continue to blink between 2 to 10 minutes before turning solid. If you don't see any lights blinking within 5 seconds of holding the button, you may need to connect the gateway to a power source first, which is shown in this video later. If the color of your LED light is green, your gateway cellular and GPS connection is working. If you see either yellow, blue, or red lights, it means that your gateway is not receiving cellular data, GPS, or both. In this case, reattempt installation to ensure the device location is unobstructed and has a clear view of the sky. You may also need to ensure you are installing the gateway in an area with good cellular reception. Reattempt device setup till the LED light turns to green. Mount the gateway to the desired location using the screws provided in the box or the VHB tape. Connect the wires on the other end of the cable to the equipment. Connect the white wire to a suitable ground-negative terminal of the power source. In this case, it's the negative terminal of the battery on the forklift. Connect the blue wire to the power source of at least 9 volts. In this forklift, it is the positive terminal of the battery. To track utilization of this forklift, connect the green wire to a signal that is active when the forklift is in use. For the electric lift, this may be a foot pedal or drive engine contact. Once the wires are connected, use zip ties provided to ensure that the cable does not cause obstruction. While this video shows a forklift, this gateway can also be installed on other equipment like generators and light towers. Reach out to your Samsara representative for a list of equipment this gateway can be used for. For easy activation from the field, log on to the Samsara Fleet app. You can quickly find the Fleet app by searching Samsara Fleet on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. To log into the app, use the Samsara dashboard login information. To install using the Fleet app, your role will have to be set to installer or admin in the Samsara dashboard. From the home screen, tap More, then tap Install Devices, and then Install New Device. Now select Asset Gateway. To begin activating your gateway, scan the serial number on the gateway or the back of the box using your phone camera. You can also enter the serial number manually. Next, click on Asset Type and select Powered Equipment. Select Install Verification and ensure the powered equipment is on. Once you see all the qualifications complete, you have successfully installed your asset gateway. After verification, click on Add Asset Details. Name your gateway, along with configuring any additional information such as license plate and odometer. It is important that you also add the initial engine hour reading to get accurate engine hours on your dashboard. Now your device is installed, set up, and ready to use. Now, your gateway is sharing location data to track your assets, engine hour data to measure equipment utilization, and engine status data to monitor powered state. For more information, visit www.samsara.com/support.